Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove an admin from an Instagram business account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page and then you need to click on Meta Business Suite, and here you need to select your Instagram account. So here it is, select this, and then you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on business assets. Then you need to click on Instagram account, and here you need to click on that, and here you can click on Instagram account access. So here is the person, click on manage, and then you need to click on remove access and click on OK. Once you click on OK, that person will be removed. So this is the process by which you can remove an admin from an Instagram business account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.